Payton versus the establishment.
Oh, good.
If you always root for the underdog, it's time to vote for Emily Payton.
Check out her website.
Go.
What's your website? EmilyPayton.org?
Yep.
Check out Emily's website at www.emilypayton.org. It'll be the best 10 minutes you spend of your life, besides other things that you do. Emily Payton, this Tuesday, the main event. Vote for Emily Payton. She is the only candidate fighting against the establishment hookers. Never mind. Emily Payton, running for governor. Check her out on www.emilypayton.org.
Okay, got more people here. Roll it, Jake, you're great.
Are you a disgruntled Democrat Republican? Well, I have an answer for you. Go to the polls on Tuesday and vote for Emily Payton. She's just as disgruntled as you are.
But she's doing something about it.
But she's doing something about it. That's right, this Tuesday, Emily Payton. Vote for her. Why? Because I said so.
Legalize drugs and you can have this much fun too.
Just short on the music because you're so good.
That's right, this Tuesday. Go to the polls and vote for Emily Payton. She is the only Republican candidate that has an awesome green platform.